Today we talk about another problem related to greatest common divisor. Okay, using prime factorization, find the greatest common divisor and LCM of 231, 1575 and also verify greatest common divisor of m, n, LCM of m, n equal to mn. Okay, but here I am going to apply prime factorization. So already we know that how we are going to manipulate a greatest common divisor by using prime factorization. So first we can manipulate, you can write 231 as a power of prime numbers. As a power of prime numbers means already you know that 231 can be expressed in terms of prime numbers. Okay. The first least prime number is 2. Is it possible to divide 2? No. So next prime number is 3. So is it possible? So 3 means 7 3s are 21. Once again 7 3s are yes. So next 3 is possible? No. 5 is not possible. 7? Yes, it is possible. So it is 11. So 231 can be expressed as a prime numbers 3 into 7 into 11. Similarly, you can write 1575 as a prime number factors. Okay. So 1575, you can start with the least prime numbers 2. It is not possible. 3, it is possible. 3 is possible. Yes. 5 3s are 15. 0. No, 5. 3 2s are 5 3s are 15. 7. Yes, 525. Once again 3 is possible. Check. 3 means 1 3. 1 3s are 3. 4 5 22. 22 is 7. Yes, 75 3s are 175 divided by 3. So next 5 is 3 is possible. Now 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15, 25. It is not possible. So the next least prime number is 5. 5 3s are 15, 15, 16, 17, 25, 5 5s are. So next 5, 7 5s are, 7 5s are. Okay. So that's all. Yes. 1575 can be expressed as 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 7. So 3 squared, 5 squared into 7. Already I told you how we are going to find greatest common divisor by using prime factorization. So first you can write the positive integer as a prime factors. So here I can write. So but here 3, the least prime number is 3. Here also 3, 7, 7, 5. But in this 5 is not there. So you can introduce the prime powers exponent of the prime number 5 as 0. So 5 to the power 0. Similarly 11 is also not there. You can introduce the power of the prime number 11 is the exponent will be included. Okay, 0. Next we can manipulate greatest common divisor of the two positive integer 231. You know the formula. You can write a p power minimum of a comma b, a1 b1, p1 prime number, first prime number, p2 minimum of a2 comma b2 and so on. Here the prime number is 3. What about the power? Minimum of a1. Here power 1, here power 1, here power 2. What about the minimum? So 3 power 1. The next prime number is 5. Here the power will be 0 and 2. Among these two minimum will be 0. So 5 to the power 0. The next prime number is 7. So here 1, here 1. So the minimum will be 1. So what about the last prime number? 11. Minimum will be 0. So only we have 3 into 7. 7 3s are 21. So the greatest common divisor of the two positive integer is 21. So this is the greatest common divisor. Same thing I can manipulate LCM also. LCM of 231, 1575. So we have the same formula. Only difference is here minimum no. Here I have maximum. This is a formula. Maximum of A1, B1. B2, maximum of A2, B2 and so on. Okay, so you just see the board which is equivalent to in the first one 231. The minimum, the power of 3 is 231. The power of 3 is 1. Power of 3 is 1. Here power of 3 is 2. The maximum will be 2. The next one 5. The power of maximum means 0, 2. So maximum will be 2. 7. maximum power of 7 is here power of 7 is 1, here also 1, so maximum is also 1, and the last one will be 11, power will be 1. Okay, so 3 squared, 5 squared, 7 power 1, 11 power 1. If you multiply all this, 3 squared na 9, 5 squared na 25. So you can multiply 9, 25, 7, 11. If you multiply all the numbers, you will get 17325. So this is the LCM of these two positive integers. Okay. So what about the second part? So also you can verify that greatest common divisor of m comma n, that is greatest common divisor of 231 comma 1575 into LCM of 231 into 15 comma 1575 will be equivalent to mn 231 into 1575. You have to verify whether you got the same answer. So what is greatest common divisor will be, greatest common divisor of these two integers is 21. Left hand side is 21. Right hand side 17325. So when you multiply 21 into 17325, you will get the answer 363825. This is also same as 231 into 1575. Hence the result.